In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean WhatsApp icon on your site that opens a chat in a new tab, making it easy for visitors to reach you without interrupting their browsing. Start in the Wix editor. Look to the left toolbar and click the big plus icon, the add button. From the menu that opens, choose social. This area contains ready-made elements for connecting your site to different platforms. Select social bar. It's a horizontal strip of popular social icons that you can customize. Drag the social bar onto your page and drop it where you want it to live. You can move it around freely now, and you can fine-tune exact placement later. With the social bar selected, open the Set Social Links panel. This is where you control which icons appear and where they point. Click. Add icons to bring in more options. Choose Media from Wix, so you can use the built-in icon library that matches Wix's design standards. Scroll through the list and look for the WhatsApp icon. It's the familiar green chat bubble with a phone inside. When you find it, click Add to Gallery. That places the WhatsApp icon into your social bar alongside the defaults. If you don't need the other social icons, select each one you don't want and remove it, so WhatsApp is the only one left. Keeping just the essentials helps visitors know exactly how to contact you. Now click the WhatsApp icon itself to edit its action. Choose Add a Link. In the URL field, paste your WhatsApp link. A reliable format is https://me, followed by your full phone number in international format without plus signs, spaces, or dashes. For example, use country code first, then the number. If you already have a WhatsApp link you prefer, you can paste that instead. Using a proper link ensures the chat opens correctly on both mobile and desktop. Set the link to open in a new window. This way, your site stays open while the WhatsApp chat launches in a separate tab or the app, which is a better experience for your visitors. When everything looks good, click Done to confirm your settings. At this point, you can drag the social bar to the exact spot you want and resize it so the icon is clear and easy to tap. That's it. The WhatsApp icon is now part of your site, ready to start conversations with your visitors in just one click.